In this video, we are going to show you how to add subtitles to your videos if you're using Canva as a video editor. Now, once you've logged into your Canva account and you're in the home screen, what you want to do is click on videos. This pop-up will appear, and under videos, you're going to be given an option to what type of video format you're going to use. So it's either landscape, mobile video, or Facebook video. For this example, we're just going to go with landscape, right? So click on that. A new tab will appear, and it's going to bring us to our timeline, right? So once we're here, I want you to look for a second to your left. So this is going to be your main menu. So you have design, elements, text, etc., etc. I want you to hover your mouse on the upload option. And here you can just click upload files if you want to upload files, or if you want to use Canva to record your video, you can do that too. But for this example, we're just going to upload files, and we're just going to choose the raw video that we want to edit for this example. So if you hover again on your left-hand side, and as you can see, there's actually a very cool, simple animation of your video being uploaded. So as you can see, it's now done. Once you have uploaded your video, all you need to do is drag and drop here on your timeline. Make sure it's on the very beginning. There you go. Make sure that it's working, by the way. So let's click play. Video for how. Okay, it is working now. Now that's done. Now that we have our video, what we want to do is go back to our main menu and hover all the way to apps, right? Hover on apps. And the search bar here, what we want to do is type in subtitles. It's going to be the first option, so click on that, like so. And you're going to have a few options here. But for this example, we're just going to use subtitles, the first option. So click on that and click open, right? And here, it's going to ask you to start, which it says export your design to generate awesome subtitles. So click start. And as you can see, it's going to show you the file type, which is MP4 video, which is our raw video file type. Click export. Now, this might take a while. If this is a short clip, it might be faster. If it's a longer video, it might take a while for you to finish processing this video. So let's just wait for it to finish. All right, now that it's done, this is the part where we can customize our subtitles. So the style is your font, right? So by default, it says elegant. You can click neat. There's a few options here. Classic, chic, there you go. But for this example, again, we're just going to go with everything that's default. We're going to go with elegant. For the size, by default, it is medium. You can go extra large, or you can go small. We're just going to stick with medium. For end position, you can go bottom, top, or middle. But of course, we're going to go with bottom because that's where subtitles 99.9% of the times are located, right? So click generate. And again, it's going to transcribe your subtitles. This might take a while, right? Let's pause that. So it's going to play you the audio of your video, right? And it's going to show you line by line what you're saying, or what the narration or the audio file is saying on the video. So this is the part where you can check, right? You can click play here. Use subtitles on Canva. And then just cross-reference if the subtitle is actually accurate. If it is, so all you need to do is click on generate. So again, make sure you double check here so that there's no errors. So once you've double checked, click on generate video with subtitles. All right, so once that's done, what we want to do is click on the video that we have, like so. And here you're going to see that it's already done, so let's play it back. This is a sample video. So again, it's very small. So how do we see this better? On the bottom, you're going to see an option to view in full screen. So all we need to do is click on that. And then this pop-up will appear telling you that you are about to leave Canva. All you need to do is click continue. And this new tab will appear, right? This is a sample video for how to use subtitles on Canva for your videos. As you can see, there you go. It is working. It has actually processed and exported it properly. Now, if you want to just save your video, all you need to do is right-click and then click Save Video As. So once you do that, you're going to be saving it to whatever profile or whatever folder you want. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.